अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपनी इस वीडियो में आप सब के लिए ऐसे लेके आई हूँ। टॉपिक है ऐसे का सिटी लाइफ और लाइफ इन अ बिग सिटी। तो चलिए इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम कोटेशन लिखेंगे। सिटी इज अ प्लेस वेयर यू फाइंड एवरीथिंग एक्सेप्ट द लव ऑफ नेचर। Life in big cities moves. It is not simple as in village. It is complex and full of manifold problems, both of personal and impersonal interest. A man living in a big city has a busy life full of competitions and activities. He cannot afford to be lazy or idle. Similarly, he can hardly remain ignorant. Unlike his brethren in the village, he is always in a hurry doing many jobs punctually. It all happens because life in big cities moves fast and does not allow us to be lazy or idle. The life of a man entirely depends upon the society he lives in. Those who live in big cities have a strong desire to have as many comforts as they can. The municipal committees or corporations provide all modern amenities which make life of the people comfortable and pleasant. Parks and playgrounds attract people of all ages. People work all the day long and need entertainment for relaxation. They can go to cinema or some organizations which provide valuable recreation, music, concerts, and mushairas attract other people. Recreation is not only job but need of a man. In big cities, every man keeps himself well informed on local, national, and international problems. Newspapers and magazines are published and are within easy reach every citizen. Radio is another source of information and entertainment. It broadcasts news, music, speeches. The exchange of views is another source of information. City life is millions of people being lonesome together. The big cities are full of potential activities before and after elections. There is much enthusiasm among the people which keeps the public life alive. People living in big cities play key role in the political life of a country and affect deeply the policies of the government. This is a life of cities. In the economic share, there is much competition. It is a source of inspiration, worries, and lies behind all progress and development. But the common experience is that inhabitants of the cities are victims of unusual strain and worries. Their life is full of hurry and noise and adds to their mental burden. On the contrary, a man living in the village follows a straight course in life. His needs are simple, for which he never exerts himself very much. Nothing is good or bad, but thinking makes it so. Life in big cities cause complex problems of transport, traffic, dearness, shortage of supplies, etc. The daily life of the people may be made wretched by big business. The black marketers and control the prices of things of daily use by creating artificial. This practice is very frequently repeated every year. It should not be understood that life in big cities is full of worries and has no charm. It is only the people of big cities who enjoy comforts and luxuries that modern life provides. In cities, life is heaven for the rich and hell for the poor. उम्मीद है आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा, ताकि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।